Here's some of the best video lights for making YouTube videos on any budget. Starting off with the least expensive is the ULANZI VL110 RGB light. These come in at $60 a piece, and ULANZI was nice enough to send me a 4-pack of these so I can test them out and show you guys what they're capable of. The first thing that I thought was really cool about these lights is that if you have multiple of them, they can actually latch together, and now you have one big light. You can switch between 360 different colors and adjust the saturation and brightness. I think ULANZI has done a great job designing these lights. The back here is made out of metal, so it feels like a very durable, high quality product. On the end, there's a 1/4-20 thread so you can mount it to a tripod if you want. They've even included this small OLED screen for navigating through the light menus, and it also shows the battery status on here too. It is really nice knowing how much battery life you have left in your lights. I have other even more expensive lights that don't show you what the battery life is, so you run out of battery at random times and it's really annoying. There's also 3 magnetic mounting plates on the back of these lights, so you can easily attach it to any metal surface and at 3 different angles. Now moving on to the next light at $100. This is the brand new portable 40-watt LED video light from ULANZI, which is great for using when you're on the go, not only because of its super small size, but also because of the built-in battery, which can power the light for 5 hours at minimum brightness or 75 minutes at maximum brightness. There's 2 knobs on the back, one for adjusting the brightness and the other for setting the color temperature, which can be adjusted from 2500 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. Also, if you press this knob like a button, you can then use it to switch between 8 different preset lighting effects, which include lightning, TV, candle, faulty bulb, strobe, paparazzi, emergency, and high and low beam. This comes with a reflector that connects to the front for focusing the light, and this tiny little diffuser for creating a soft light. The battery can be charged with the included DC power adapter, and the light can easily be mounted using the 1/4-inch screw mount on the bottom. This does have an internal cooling fan, but it's nice and quiet, so you're not going to hear it when you're filming, and while this light is mainly made out of plastic, it still feels like a good quality product. The only thing that would have made this light better is if it had a USB Type-C port for charging. But other than that, it's a pretty nice light for the price. Next up, at $170, the new FIVERAY M20C is the most advanced pocket video light I've ever owned. It even has one feature I've never seen on any other light. This palm-sized 20-watt RGB light is not only super bright and packed with premium features, but it also looks like a piece of super rugged cyberpunk space tech, which I'm absolutely loving. This would be the perfect light for a streamer gaming setup, as it can single-handedly light your videos while also looking completely dope next to the rest of your desk accessories. As a content creator, this light is definitely going to be coming with me when I travel, as it can easily be set up anywhere with its multiple mounting options, including several cold shoe mounts, a 1/4-inch screw mount, and even magnets to firmly attach it to any metal surface. The built-in battery will power this light at full brightness for a solid 40 minutes. It can also charge and light simultaneously for continuous use if you are near an outlet or want to extend the runtime with a power bank. There's a built-in fan to keep the light cool, a small screen for navigating the host of different light settings, and there's several accessories available for this light as well, including a magnetically mounted light diffuser, a honeycomb grid, and these high-quality metal barn doors. Here's what this light looks like without any of the modifiers on it. Then if you add this diffuser, it's going to make the light more even and quite a bit softer. If you want to reduce spill, you can add these barn doors and adjust them to focus the light. If you want to focus the light even more, that's when you would add this honeycomb grid, and That's going to make the light so that it's only hitting the subject and not spilling onto the background at all. Also, right now the light is only at 50% brightness because when it's at full brightness, it's absolutely blinding me. The brightness, saturation, and hue can all be fine-tuned to perfectly match with any other professional lights. It can change any color of the rainbow. There's 16 different effects, including lightning, police car, and disco, just to name a few. And my favorite feature on here is the one I've never seen on any other light, which is a built-in microphone that allows the light to strobe in sync with any music that's playing. You can even choose different colors for different tones in the music. And to top it all off, this light can be controlled with an app on your phone that gives you tons of amazing presets, easy color controls with color wheels, and it even has this color picker tool that utilizes the phone's camera so that you can choose colors from real-world objects. At $260 is where we start getting into the more premium professional lights. This is the INKEE Gold Crow. It's a 60-watt video light that's super powerful and compact. It has a really tough metal exterior and it's packed with useful features like the built-in battery that can run the light at full power for up to 2 hours, and the unique mounting system that can either hold the small portable reflector that's included with the light or fold out into a full-size Bowens mount. This comes in two different versions. There's a daylight version and a bicolor version. The daylight one has a fixed color, while the bicolor one can be adjusted from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. This is 95 CRI, which is really close to mimicking the color and vibrance of real sunlight. It supports 100 watt fast charging with the included 100 watt USB-C charging brick. Plus, it can double as a backup power bank to charge other devices. The almost silent built-in fan and temperature sensor regulate the heat to keep the light cool. The screen on the back not only shows you everything from the current temperature of the light to the color temperature, the brightness levels, and the battery percentage, but it also gives you a remaining runtime for the light. So you don't just have to guess based on the fact that there's 2 bars left on the battery indicator. It just straight up tells you you have 25 minutes or you have 60 minutes left of runtime. Honestly, a revolutionary feature. I wish every single electronic I owned had that feature. It's waterproof, so you can film outdoors in the rain. There's several 1/4-20 thread mounts for a variety of mounting options, and the full metal vari-angle handle accessory provides even more mounting compatibility. This is a really high quality and versatile light. Whether you want to connect this to a large softbox for studio filmmaking or throw it in a backpack for a run and gun photo shoot, this light can do it all. Moving up to just over $300, you can pick up the SmallRig RC 220D. So here's the specs, the features, and a few of the ways I use this light when filming videos. This is quite bright at 220 watts. It reaches 98,700 lux at 1 meter when it has this hyper reflector on it. The color is fixed at 5600 Kelvin, which is right in that range of color that sunlight usually is. It's 95 CRI, which means that the light this produces is very high quality, so the photos and videos you take while using this are going to have the same color and vibrance as if they were shot in natural light. This is perfect for lighting a small to medium-sized room like here at my YouTube studio. And here's a couple of the different ways I usually like to set up this light when I'm using it. This is the most common setup I use. The light's off to one side and just enough in front of where I'm standing that it's shining back towards me. I usually throw an RGB light into the corner just to add a bit of color and lighten up the back wall here a bit. And this is kind of how the lighting usually looks when I'm just standing at my desk talking to the camera. I also have a super tall light stand I use for overhead lighting, and I particularly like this setup anytime I'm doing product photography here at my desk. Even if you don't have a big light stand like this, you can still create an overhead light. Just switch out the softbox for the hyper reflector and then point the light up at the ceiling, and now the entire ceiling becomes this light diffuser that's casting nice soft light over the entire room. Now along with this light, you get a really nice large carrying case, and then inside we have the light, a protective light cover, the hyper reflector, and a 19-foot long power cable. This has a really quiet active cooling system, so as long as it's a couple feet away from your camera, you shouldn't have any problems with your mic picking it up. There's Bluetooth connectivity that provide full controls from your phone for adjusting the brightness and the different presets like lightning and a bunch of others. You can also access all of these different settings from the controls on the back of the light. This is a standard Bowens mount on the front here, which is widely compatible with lighting accessories like reflectors and softboxes. I'm using SmallRig softbox, which is really high quality. The quick release system on this makes it really fast to disassemble and reassemble. It has double diffusers that create really soft, even lighting, and it comes with this honeycomb grid as well. And last of all, at $400, these are the most expensive lights I own, but are worth every penny if you're a professional. These 4-foot-long RGB tube lights from Lume are super premium LED lights that are fantastic for both filmmaking and for photography.
Rain may come, but I say, I don't gotta worry. Not at all. Washing out the gray with all the good vibes, good vibes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yeah, we ready right now.
These lights have built-in batteries that can run them at full brightness for 96 minutes. They can also be on while charging, so you can use them like a corded light and never run out of battery. For charging, you can either use the USB Type-C port or the included AC power adapter. The tube is comprised of 492 powerful LEDs that, when all combined, add up to 3,400 lumens of light output, with a CRI rating of 96. These lights have the coolest and most comprehensive color controls I've ever seen. For starters, you can use the small screen and the controls on the back to access the HSL, CCT, and FX controls. The CCT controls can adjust the brightness from 0 to 100, set the temperature from 2700 Kelvin to 7500 Kelvin, and adjust the green and magenta tint to dial in the perfect natural light color. Switching it to HSL gives you access to its full range of colors and saturation. There's also 7 pre-programmed special effects that have adjustable frequency that include loop, strobe, lightning, fire, candle, siren, and TV. This screen also displays the exact amount of minutes left on the battery life. Then switching on Bluetooth gives you access to even more controls with the app, where you can wirelessly control multiple lights simultaneously and use this really cool color picker tool to copy the colors from objects around you in real life. The light itself is built with quality aluminum parts that feel really durable. There's a bunch of 5/8 inch and 1/4 inch thread mounts on the back, one on the side, and one on each end. Along with the light, you're going to get a padded carrying case, the AC power adapter, this metal cable loop hanger, and a nice metal tripod stand. These lights are top of the line. They're really nice. They are a little expensive, but if you can fit them into your budget, they're definitely worth it. If you want to check them out, there's a link for them in the description below. If you're new here, make sure to check out my channel. You can watch some more of my videos right over here.
Got me feeling so free.